And now that you're here, I'd really appreciate if you took out the time and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon right next to it so that you get updated every time I post a new video. For today's video, I'm going to be cooking something which is really tasty and I love it a lot. So I thought why not share my recipe with you guys. So for today, we are going to be making veg Manchurian, but mostly cabbage Manchurian because I forgot to get the other veggies. So all that we have is cabbage today, so we are going to work with it. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So first, let's take a look at the ingredients. So first we have cabbage, which is grated, like finely chopped. Then we need onion. We need coriander that we'll chop later because it's in the fridge and I forgot to chop it. We need some ketchup, some soya sauce, red chili powder, turmeric. We need maida. We need some garam masala, some ginger garlic paste and some corn flour. And a secret ingredient which is salt. I forgot to say that before. So let's start. So for starters, we are going to take our cabbage. And in this cabbage, we are going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Thoda sa. Yeah, that's enough, I'd say. Okay, a little more. I just love soy sauce, so never mind. After that, we're going to add thoda ginger garlic paste. So to this, we're going to add ginger garlic paste. Then just mix all of this nicely. A little bit of salt because we've already added soy sauce. Now we'll add some maida. Before you start cooking this, just wash your hands and make sure everything is clean because you don't want to dirty it. So maintain hygiene and wash your hands. Now we've mixed everything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some maida and corn flour to it. So I forgot the spoon, just one second. We're back to the spoon. So I'm going to add some maida. And you just need to add double the amount of corn flour. So if I've added 2 spoons of maida, I'm going to add 4 spoons of corn flour. That's what my mom has taught me and it works. So yeah, that's that. Okay, it already had a spoon inside. Wow, I didn't know that. But this was a tiny one, so we're going to just wing it, just wing it. You don't need to know the measurements. You just know when it's right. So I also don't know the measurements. I just wing it all. And do not just dirty the counter because then your mom's going to kill you. Because my mom just hates a dirty counter and we always end up fighting about that. So make sure you keep your cooking station as clean as it can be, okay? Again, nicely mix this. Come have a closer look at this. Wow, just mix it. So now that we've done all of this, we're just going to add a little bit of red chili powder inside this. Not a lot of it, just very less. As you can see, just wing it because I'm not going to give you all any measurements. So please pay attention while I'm doing this because I'm really serious about this, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to roll this into tiny small balls. So first we're going to nicely knead this like a dough. Like this. Uh-oh, I spilled it, but never mind. I have to get this done before my mom wakes up. So now what we're going to do is like knead these into tiny small laddus. Make sure that the perfect size, not too big, not too small, just the perfect size. Okay guys, so our Manchurian balls are ready. Now we're just going to fry them or deep fry them. And I know health freaks are going to hate me for this, but trust me man, you have to fry them. You don't have an alternative. Unless you have an air fryer, I don't know if that works, but yeah. So let's fry them and then we shall make the gravy. Guys, first let's fry them. So first we'll heat the oil in a pan. Come closer. Oh, okay. So let's heat the oil in the pan and in the meantime we're going to put some tissue paper in the plate so that we can absorb all the excess oil so that I don't get on the nerves of all the fitness freaks. So yeah, I'll try my best not to use a lot of oil, but I can't help it. but I'll still try, okay? So I seen my mom making this veg Manchurian for the longest time, and I was really intrigued and like curious to know how she made it. Just always, please excuse me, it's raining outside and I can't help it, and that's the sound that you'll be able to hear right now. But yeah, so coming back to the point, so you hear my mom make Manchurian. Did I just say here? No, I just watched my mom make Manchurian, and it's very nostalgic. So I was always intrigued and curious to know about how she made it. So I used to usually accompany her in the kitchen, and that's how I came to know about her recipe. This is her recipe. She hasn't actually watched it anywhere. She sort of, what do you say, discovered it herself, and then she taught me. Obviously, I can't make it the way she does, but I still try, and I hope that you all try it at home as well. And if you all do, please let me know and tell me how it tastes. So now coming to the point, let's just wait for the oil to heat up, and then we're going to fry these Manchurian balls into this. We fried our Manchurian balls and they are nicely crisp as you can see. So now let's just chop some coriander for garnishing. So now let's prepare our gravy. So just let's heat a little bit of oil in the pan. So I've added oil in a pan, and to this I'm going to add some finely chopped onion, lots of it. Do not waste onion, you guys. Onion has become a lot expensive. A little bit of ginger garlic paste to this onion. After it's become nicely goldenish, after the onion becomes golden, you're supposed to add the ginger garlic paste before that. And make sure to add the ginger garlic paste after the onion is about half cooked, otherwise the ginger garlic paste will get burned. So yeah, that's the tip or trick that my mom told me. To always add ginger garlic paste after your onion is almost like half. A little bit of soy sauce again, because Chinese is incomplete without soy sauce. So yes, we've added soy sauce, and now just saute everything very well. Come have a closer look. Now to this we're gonna add turmeric, because we all love turmeric. Mix it really well. Can you see the instant change of color? That's what we're looking for. Now to this we're gonna add our garam masala. Okay. I just wish you all could actually smell how this smells, because it smells delicious. Let's add some ketchup. You can also add Szechuan sauce, but I just got over and this video wasn't actually planned, so because of that I couldn't get my hands on Szechuan sauce. But if you do have it, just add a lot of taste. Okay. Now it's time to add these babies into the pan. So let's just, oh my god, why is the tissue stuck on this? Okay, never mind. So let's just add our Manchurian balls.
No! No! No!
Smell this because this smells divine. I just added some coriander and come have a closer look. It looks really tasty. So I can't wait for y'all to try this at home. And do let me know in the comment section below how you made it and what was your experience. But for now, let's just plate it and see how it goes. Guys, now I'm going to do a taste test and I'll be brutally honest, okay? So yeah, here it goes. Wish me luck. This is so tasty. Guys, you have to try this recipe out right now. So just drop everything and just go and try this recipe out and let me know how it tastes. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the most to me and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Sending warm virtual hugs to each and every one of you. Bye.